Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are back at our dealer's workshop, exclusive marks. And the car that we are working on today is this Nissan GTR R35. This is a 2018 Nissan GTR R35. So far there's no modifications done to the car. It's still with the stock wheels and also the stock brakes and the stock body kit, except that the owner has already wrapped his car in this very striking chrome orange. This is the stock exhaust that we just removed from the GTR, and this is the rear section. This is the stock Y pipe, so you can see that there is two very huge secondary catalytic converters, and we have a resonator and a very huge rear muffler. Because of all the restrictions on the stock exhaust, the GTR sounds extremely boring in stock form, and that's why we need this IPE full exhaust system to be installed on the car. We have a full exhaust system from IPE for the GTR. So this exhaust is made out of stainless steel material. Right over here, these are the remotes for the exhaust so that you can control the valves on and off. Instead of the standard chrome silver tips, the owner has also optioned for this beautiful chrome black tips for his GTR. This is the IPE decat dowel pipes compared to this stock dowel pipes with a very restrictive catalytic converters. And this is the IPE Y pipe versus the stock Y pipe. So from here we can see that this IPE Y pipe will remove the secondary cats and also the center resonator on the Y pipes. The piping diameter comparison between the IPE exhaust and the stock exhaust. The stock exhaust is around 76 mm and this IPE exhaust is 90 mm for the piping diameter. So once we install this IPE full exhaust on the GTR, the new exhaust system will provide better exhaust gas flow and also being less restrictive without all the catalytic converters and the center resonator. This IPE exhaust will definitely sound a lot louder compared to the stock exhaust, as well as provide better performance for the GTR. We have completed the installation of IPE full exhaust system on this very beautiful Nissan GTR R35. What you think about the brand new exhaust sound on the GTR? Let us know in the comment sections below. Remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting contents.